Hi, how are you? I'm here with a Mini Countryman. This car is actually for sale. It has not sold, maybe because, as you can see, the leather here on the steering wheel is fading. Maybe it's the Miami sun. I don't know what is it, but it's obviously more damaged than the rest of the car, which is in really good shape actually. So I got this package, and this is leather honey. This is a product, a natural product. So here it is, leather honey, leather care kit since 1968, and this says it makes leather last longer. Let's see what we have. So this product cleans and restores leather, natural leather and fox leather, vinyl, plastic and rubber. And let's see, what is this? Oh, this is like a two-way process, I guess. So this one cleans, and this one, it's a conditioner. So this one will protect the surface once it's clean. Let's see how it is. So here you can see how bad this looks. It's completely faded. I don't know if this is gonna be able to restore the whole thing. You can see by the difference here at the bottom, the leather is in much better condition. So let's try it. So the first part, the cleaner, says that you can use it directly on the leather. Don't oversaturate the cloth. It can also be used on a vinyl, plastic, rubber, or artificial leather. So it says to shake it well and then apply directly and let it dry. It says don't drink it, so I won't do that. Or put it on your skin. Let's see. Well, it looks like the leather was in really good condition, but it had something on it. I'm gonna ask the owner what else could have been done, because obviously the leather, as you can see, is back to normal, almost like new. So this product definitely works. I'm gonna put that before and after, and it was really easy. So I've done it a couple times, and it took a couple of coats, I guess, to clean it. And whatever was on it, it's gone now. The steering wheel looks like new again. And so according to the instructions, I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I will apply the conditioner to protect it even more. So now it's dry completely, and I'm gonna apply the conditioner the same way. Oh, let me read the instruction. It should be the same. Apply a small amount of leather honey, room temperature, and then allow 2 hours of application so it can dry and will absorb the product, so it will be completely protected. It says ideally leave it overnight, so hopefully we can do that, but at least 2 hours after we apply this part. So here it is. We apply the whole thing and it definitely works. Look how beautiful and clean the steering wheel looks. Big difference between before and after. So here you have it, the leather honey cleaner and conditioner. Absolutely recommended. So this mini is for sale, and probably it wasn't selling because of the bad condition of the steering wheel. Now I'm sure it will sell really quickly.
Oh my God, look at this. It looks like brand new now. I don't know, this product is like magic. Before it was like full of stains from my, sunblock that I use daily. And now all of those stains are gone. Wow.